Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 7th birthday, Ona.
Happy birthday, my Ona. I love you.
Wala kay Mommy. Hindi. Atin lang to. Milk is good for one's body. It's a complete food.
Para matulog.
Thank you, Ma.
Birthday, Ona.
Happy 7th. Happy birthday, Ona. Sana lumaki ka pang may respeto and sana maging close kita. Sana yung kakulitan mo dagdagan mo. And sana stay healthy and mabait.
Happy birthday, Ona. Always memorize, magaling ka naman, and be happy always. Yun lang.
Love you. Happy birthday, Ona. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ona. Happy birthday, Ona. Happy birthday, Ona. Happy birthday, Ona. The happiest birthday. Happy birthday, Ona. Happy 7th birthday, Ona. Happy birthday, Ona. Happy 7th birthday, Ona. Happy birthday, Ona.
Let's go.
Happy birthday, Ona.
We're in the review of mission form number 2. High block, 시작! High block.
Go! Faster!
Ready?
Happy birthday, Ona.
시작!
Happy birthday, Ona.
Happy birthday, Ona.
Happy 7th birthday, Ona.
Happy 7th birthday, Ona. Happy birthday, Ona. Happy 7th birthday, Ona. I love you, sana. Galingan mo sa Panginoon. I love you.
Okay, ulit tayo.
Ito. Dito. Happy birthday, Ona. Oh, she's holding her own cake. Don't run. Let's see your cake. Let's see your cake. Thank you. Sis mo, Daddy.
Dear talaga.
Ito, ano?
Unicorn. What's her name? What's her name? Pareho ng damit niya. Wow, it's so beautiful. Go! Doon, dito. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ona. Blow your cake. Make a wish. Make a wish first. Happy birthday. Okay, picture.
Happy birthday to her.
Nagkalakon ka?
Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Daddy, mom yung...
Happy lang kami. Ilan pala kayo?
Huwag na.
Ah, sige na. Open mo na. Yan. What's that? Huwag mo sisirain kasi lalagay mo din dyan eh. Wow, careful. That's from Martin and Marcus. Okay. What's that? Wow. Notebook and pencil. They're all pink.
Sa DIY pa ito.
Yay!
DIY, no? Diba? Ano, may tukuhan na happy birthday, Martin and Marcos.
Yay!
Okay, good yan. Wow!
Wow, it has ears. Wow! Notebook yan, notebook? Open mo nga. Ano yan?
Yung second floor, gagawa na nila ng ano, mami. Gagawa na nila ng
Very beautiful.
Yes.
Yay. It has eyes. Before you write, make sure your eyes are as big as those, okay? So you can see what to write. He can't bounce, You ask permission first.
Ano maganda?
You choose. We're going to... Oh, dito. Department store, di ba? Tama mo. Where's Ona?
Dito pala nawawala ako nun. Ganyan. Ganyan siya.
Hinihilo mo ako, ha? Oh, you have lots of kitchen sets na sa bahay. Wow, what's that? What's inside? Oh, LOL. LOL.
Per bawal. You want that, Anna?
Wow, $5.99.
99 po. 920.
She is looking for something she likes to buy. What do you like to buy? Oh, that's $749. Choose, choose, choose. Choose. Oh, ala, naalis. Iiyak yan. Iiyak yan. Choose, choose, choose. Wow. Ah, they have milk. Baka gayahin mo sila. Nagmi-milk pa. Ha? Baka gayahin mo sila. Nagmi-milk pa. Anong gusto ni Ona?
Bawal ganito.
Ano yun?
Bawal ba?
2,000, oh. Gusto mo yan? Doon tayo bandaron. Yan, gusto mo yan? Gusto mo yan? Sabagay, may ganyan ka na daw eh. May ganyan ka na daw. Gusto mo yan? Mga damit kasi sa mga laruan. Ayan, maganda yan. Maganda.
Ito dalawa?
Napaka-choosy ng aking kliyente. Asan na siya? Asan na siya? Asan na?
Skip ko doon. Para kay Ate Pia, diba?
Wow. Sa dress. Best day ever. Best day ever. Oh. Oh, gusto mo yan?
Dapat girl tayo?
Yan? Sweater, are you sure?
Para kita dito.
Hindi yan crop top.
Dapat maliit.
Pang baby yun.
Saka picnic lang to, yung mga ganyan.
Tapos meron ka na yan. Dan na tayo dyan. Oh. Look at their price. Do you know their price? Ang dami mong Barbie dolls doon. What did you buy there? What? Will?
Bye, my birthday. You buy this.
Oh, yung gift nyo daw sa kanya.
Go. Gift nyo ito na.
Oh, yung gift nyo daw.
Di ba mananalo? Ay, yan.
Ay, hindi mo na ako lululok, sabi. Ayaw mo ng pink? Anong gusto mo?
Ayan.
Pink or red? Pink daw gusto niya, pink. Ang likod. Gusto mo yan? Gusto mong cotton buds? Dora? This ball belongs to... For adults na yan, be. Dito lang yung for kids, so.
Yan.
Yes.
Ma-read ko din yan.
Na-read mo na lang yan?
Ma-read ko din. Ano face mask mo? Wala. Christmas.
Oh, di ba ang saya niya? Coins. Baka sa bag ko, 100 pesos. Yan, 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 yan. Go, go, go. Ah! Lapit na, malapit na. Kaso lumayo. Ayun. Atras. Doon. Uso doon. Yun pa rin. Ay. Malayo na yan. Ay. Malayo na yun. Yung malapit na lang. Yung malapit na. Ayun o, yung kanina. Yung kanina. Yan. Wait lang. Usod dito. Usod. Kanan. Yan. Go. Wag na. Mahirap na yan. Nasaan yung coins? Go, go! Yay! Ayun na yun. May free ride. magtawag. Our dinner for tonight. Ay, no. Don't subo your finger.
Oh, gusto ko Betis. I want Betis, Daddy. Oh, I want Betis.
Daddy, she likes Betis daw.
Betis? Anong Betis na gusto mo?
Ano?
Kaya nga, anong gusto mo doon?
Parang nag-swimming tayo ng Pampanga.
Masyadong malapit, Ona.
Ay, pumila.
And this is away.
Ayun na, di ba?
Huwag ganyan. Hindi ganyan. Matatapon. Yan. Oh, diba?
pala yun.
Ito, beses mo.
Wow!
Ang binili ko na lang.
Ay, pumunta na. Ayoko din pumunta.
Saan?
Ay!
Ano? Pamirian. Wow!
Tatiriyan din.
Pamirian. Gusto mo yung ano? Somay? Pag hindi binilisan nyo, gusto nyo.
We're going home na. Ona is happy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Siyempre. This is your 7th birthday. Happy birthday, Ona. I wish that you would still be a good girl. The youngest among the Escats. Oops, careful. Go! Magsisinima pa daw siya. Magsisinima pa daw siya pero 7:20 PM na. Oh, she's happy. Oh! No, don't drop. She's happy today. It's not about money. Oo. Mare.
Yung puwet. Puwet yun?
Ha? Mali. So, go.
Ewan, ito lang naman na. Uy!
Bye. Careful.
Malakas to. Kasi, pumuka tayo! Malakas yun?
Oo. Hello. Oh, there's a thunder.
Ah!
Yes.
Movie night pa tayo. Maganda
Movie pa tayo?
Tayo!
Oh, it's raining. Bilis.
Pumuka tayo!
Oh. Ay, grabe. Oh, faster. Oh, madapash ka ah.
Malakas yun. Narinig mo kami?
Oo.
Narinig ko kami? Kasi, pumuka tayo!
Pauwi na po kami, countmates. Dito, kami sa parking area ng SM. Looking for our car. Grabe ang ulan sa labas. We can hear the lightning and the thunder. Grabe, pati simoy ng hangin. Medyo malakas-lakas. Oh! You get water na, Rian. Are you happy today, Ona? Doon tayo sa likod, ha?
Pick nila po nga.
It's a rainy evening.
Wala silang, umbrella. Ang taas ng baha dito.
Happy birthday, ready, sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Karaoke tayo.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ona!
Karaoke ito.
Happy
Happy birthday, Ona. Sana hindi ka na maano and sana maging good ka. And happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ona. 7 years old ka. Dapat din na sa bate.